Now, because we are doing free plus shipping items as our trigger point, we need to do a little hack to set our shipping rates. Now, shipping is done under settings and shipping. And you have your shipping zones, that's all fine and dandy, and the rest of the world, which for simplicity's sake, we are not going to ship to anybody but the United States, which is where I am. No bias to any part of the world. I love a lot of places around the world, but we're going to keep it simple and domestic right at the moment. Delete zone. There we go. Okay, now when we're in here, we're going to go domestic and we're going to erase and erase. So what we want to do, and this is the hack, when we get our product, our trigger product, we are going to sell it probably for $9.95. Let's say $9.95. That'll be our aim. We will set it for a weight of 0.5 pounds. And what we'll want is that the maximum order weight will be 0.5 pounds. And we will charge $9.95 for that. Weight is not important for us. This is just a means of setting a price. What if somebody orders 2 products? Well, if they buy 2 of our free plus shipping items, they're going to be purchasing quote unquote a pound worth of material. So what are we going to set? Well, we'll give them a little break. We'll give them $1 break. We'll set it at $18.95. Call it standard shipping as well. And what if they purchase 3 items and so on? This is slightly annoying and tedious. I know. However, it's necessary if you want to handle free plus shipping for free. And I'll show you a simpler way, or an app that can handle it more simply in a second. So we'll go through here. I'll stop at 2.5 pounds because I don't want this video to get too boring. And there we go. Okay, so you have this mapped out for 5 products, up to 5 products. Well, what if somebody purchases more? Well, if somebody purchases more, then you could go back to them and say, oh, sorry, there's a 5 product limit. Or you can just keep going and going and going until you put some ludicrous number up there where it's 20, and you're going to be getting, $300 for all these products, which no one will probably ever pay. But that's what happens, and you just want to cover your bases just in case somebody wants to buy 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I mean that's what it looks like. Then when we make our product, we're going to set the weight of that product so it's 0.5. Now, one thing you want to watch out for, Shopify puts this packaging, here it is, this packaging weight in here, and it can throw off your whole thing if you don't change that to 0. So make sure you do that. That's so important, because if you don't do that, then you would have products that are 0.9125, and it would just get crazy. So there you go. That's how you do the standard free plus shipping method. And there's no cost involved with that. Now, if you want to make it simple, now this is the first time I'm showing you the App Store, but I'm gonna have a whole video about getting apps. There is an app called Better Shipping. It's right there. It is $14.99 a month, but it does have a 7-day trial, so you can use it for 7 days, no penalty. The pros and cons with this is that the Pro, it's very, very easy, and you could set multiple products up. So if I have one item that I want to do free plus shipping, and I want to sell it for $6.95, then I can do that while still having another product that I sell for $9.95 shipping. And that's where this app becomes very powerful. If you're just doing one free plus shipping item and this is your first store, just do the method that I showed at the beginning of this video. And if you start expanding and you start testing out new products, and things are getting crazy with the product weights and coming up with all those different weight sets, then do yourself a favor, spend the $15 for the Better Shipping, and you'll save yourself lots of headaches. Okay, we will touch upon this and some other apps in an upcoming video, and then we're gonna start looking for some products.